Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change password on Viagogo. The first thing you need to do is to open the Viagogo web app at viagogo.com and log in using your registered account credentials. Once logged in, go ahead and click on the profile icon in the top right corner of the homepage where you have your drop-down menu, including My Hub to sign up. Now select My Hub from the drop-down menu and that walks you into the My Hub area. From the My Hub section, head over to the left-hand navigation menu where you have a couple of options. And one of them includes settings. Go ahead and click on settings. And this will open your account settings page. On the settings page, you're going to have to look for the section labeled personal details. And that's found on the top of the screen where you have personal details, notification, addresses, license, security center. So click on this, and once you click on that, you're going to find the password option. So to change your password, go ahead and click on the pencil icon that is right next to the password. And once you click on that, you will need to first enter your current password in the appropriate field. First off, enter the authentication code that has been sent to your mail. Get the code from your mail and paste here and click on submit. Now, once you click on submit, you'll be prompted to enter your current password in the appropriate field. And once you do that, the next thing to do is to enter your new password in the designated field as well. So confirm the new password by typing it again in the confirmation field. After entering and confirming your new password, click Save or Update to apply the changes. So Viagogo will confirm that your password has been successfully updated. You may be asked to log in again using the new password to verify the changes. Ensure that your new password is strong, containing a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. And if you have forgotten your current password, you can reset it by clicking on the Forgot Password link on the Viagogo login page. You'll receive an email with instructions to reset your password. Go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hoping this tutorial marvelously helped you search.